the odd moment where playing out from the back doesn't work. And talking of which, that's exactly what Ramsdale and Bournemouth do. Fantastic effort. Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang, he's got these worldies in his locker. Space for Ceballos, great through ball. Aubameyang so close. Pepe calling for it inside. And he gets it. Ivory Coast man in field to El Neni. Delightful 1-2. Great football and a brilliant goal from Arsenal. And young Bukayo Saka gets his first of the season, and it's a wonderful team goal. And this prodigiously talented team gets Arsenal on their way. And England call up, and now a first goal of the campaign. Throughout, ends in a fine goal. Arsenal 2, Sheffield United 1.
Yeah, and we're in for a tense finale now.
Space here. Arsenal have to be careful once more. Over the top, chested down. Goodness me, so close from McGoldrick. Appeals for at least a corner, I think. We're taken quickly, Ramsdale up there again, and there is a foul that we know third on the break. Arsenal don't care because they have